Hey, have a look at that, will ya? Go on, son. Get some of that down ya.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you know, I cook on this channel. Now the menu for you guys today at home. I'm gonna be cooking, well, it's not really cooking, it's kind of like baking and yeah, mainly baking really, but it's food, it's not dessert. What I'm gonna be baking for you guys is a bit of chips, and I'm gonna make some shredded chicken and yeah, a bit of cheese. So chicken and chips with some cheese, really simple, basic and easy and simple to make. So without any further ado, I need you guys to go and smash that subscribe button for me. Make sure at the end of the video drop me one of these and share, comment and all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next part of the video. So ladies and gentlemen, what you want to do is get 3 pieces of chicken breast, depending on obviously on how much you're making and how many people and blah blah blah. So yeah, just get it, make sure you cut off all the excessive fat, check for any bones if there's left in there. We're looking good. What you need now is one of these trays, and then you just want to chuck it in there as a whole, as it is, yeah. And then remove this. You want to get your HP sauce and cover it. Yeah. Just got a little bit overboard. Yeah. You just want to make sure it covers the whole chicken, basically. Yeah. Top to bottom, up and down, sides, whatever you call it. Bada bing, bada boom. You know what I mean? Just let it sink in, and so on. Right. Once you're happy with that, what you want to do is put this bad boy in the oven at 160 for an hour. Meanwhile, whilst our chicken is doing its thing in the oven, you want to get 3 pieces of spring onion. Don't really want these bits. And then what you want to do is simply just chop them up. Right, this is just prep work for the last bit. So next up is our cheddar cheese. Cheddar? Yeah, this is cheddar. You just want to give it a cut to just break it down, make it a little bit easier for yourself, and you're going to start grating it. Right? You can use more, you can use less, you can use different cheddar cheese, whatever you like. I just saw this and I thought, let me try this, it looks nice. That's grated. Let's see how much. Yeah, I think that would do. That'll be enough, pleased with that. We're about halfway through, give or take. What you want to do, look at these bad boys. It's a strong smell. Bring it out, and all you want to do is just flip it on the other side so it cooks on both sides, basically. Simple as. Yeah. Just get that on there. More. You know what I mean? Yeah. Right. Put it back in the oven. Another half an hour, 20 minutes to go. I'm just going to pour a bit. Okay, not too much. Alright. Get this bad boy in the oven. Ooh. There we are. It looks a bit burnt and all of that, but don't worry, it's all good. I'm just gonna adjust the chips. Bring it up a level, you know. So, what we need now are 2 forks, right? So we can begin the process of shredding them, okay? And that's all you want to do. You just want to get them, put them apart, shred them. That's it. Try not to get the burnt bits in. Yeah, just marinate it like so. Mix it all within the sauce and all of that. And there you go. Something so simple. Simple as that. And it's all ready, cooked, and all good. Alright, so all I'm going to do now is put this bad boy in a plate. Yeah, I'm going to put this in a plate for now until the chips are ready. When the chips are ready, I will put the chips in this, and then you'll see what we're going to do next. I won't spoil it for you, so make sure you carry on watching, guys. And here is our lovely chips. So all you want to do is get this and just fill up the base with the chips. Today would be nice. Yeah, okay. Come on. This is hot. Right, that's that, okay? And now, for now, oh god. Now, get your chicken, spread it across your chips. That's done, okay? And now, you remember these from earlier? Yeah? So what you want to do is sprinkle it. You want to cover this bad boy. Now, time to put this bad boy in the oven for about 10 minutes. Let the cheese melt. Hey, have a look at that, will ya? Go on, son. Get some of that down ya. Lovely. The colour on that looks amazing. Hold on. Add a bit of mayonnaise. Right. Now you can add ketchup or whatever sauce you want and all, but just give it a nice little presentation, and then just a few drops of these to give it that little difference in terms of colour. Just put it in there, put some of the green bits, yeah, job done. Where's my trusted heat proof? There you are, ladies and gentlemen. That right there is your chips and pulled chicken and chips. Yeah, bon appetit. I'm not sure what the title of this video is going to be, but there you are. Bon appetit. Make sure you share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up